Struggling with dull, lightweight kitchen knives that bend or slip when you are trying to slice through a dense sweet potato or trim a tough cut of meat makes cooking feel like a chore. Cheap, stamped blades lose their edge almost immediately, forcing you to constantly hunt for a standalone honing steel or settle for torn, jagged food slices. The Imarku 14-piece Japanese stainless steel knife set completely rewrites your kitchen prep routine, packaging high-carbon, Full-tang precision into a warm, classic brown profile. Arriving beautifully gift-ready, this professional-grade collection serves as the ultimate culinary powerhouse for your countertop, perfectly blending relentless edge retention with a smart, space-saving storage hub that keeps your blades razor-sharp automatically. The core technological advantage of the Imarku collection is the premium Japanese high-carbon stainless steel forged into every single blade. Engineered with an optimized Full-tang construction, meaning a single solid piece of steel flows seamlessly from the tip of the blade straight through to the butt of the handle, these knives provide unrivaled physical leverage and structural integrity under heavy pressure. The blades are meticulously honed to a razor-sharp edge, enabling smooth, effortless precision whether you are rocking the 8-inch gyuto, chef's knife, through heaps of herbs, using the 7-inch santoko for clean vegetable dicing, or slicing crusty sourdough with the 8-inch serrated bread knife. The balanced weight distribution eliminates wrist fatigue, allowing home chefs and beginners alike to prep large meals with total confidence and safety. To completely banish the frustration of working with dull cutlery, the accompanying hardwood storage block is armed with an integrated, built-in knife sharpener. Located directly inside a dedicated slot, the hidden ceramic sharpening rods automatically hone and restore your straight-edge blades back to their factory sharpness every single time you slide them in or out of the block. This self-contained setup means you never have to waste time with manual sharpening stones or drag dangerous motorized grinders across your counter space before dinner. Alongside the specialized prep knives, the set includes an 8-inch slicing knife, a 5-inch utility knife, a 3.5-inch paring knife for detailed peeling, a pair of multi-purpose kitchen shears, and a full set of 6 4.7-inch serrated steak knives to bring high-end steakhouse performance to your weekly family dinners. Modern convenience is carefully woven into the design through rugged, non-slip ergonomic handles. Crafted with an absolute focus on durability, these contoured polyblend grips ensure a secure, anti-slip hold even when your hands are slick with oil or water while prepping ingredients. While traditional high-end culinary knives demand meticulous hand-washing and instant drying to prevent corrosion, Imarku's advanced metallurgy allows this entire 14-piece lineup to be rated as dishwasher-safe, allowing you to load them into the machine for a lightning-fast cleanup after a chaotic weeknight dinner. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from crushing tomatoes with dull blades, eliminate the clutter of separate kitchen sharpening tools, and invest in a beautifully balanced, 14-piece forged setup that turns everyday meal prep into a fast, professional experience. This Japanese stainless steel block set is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you're grabbing this elegant brown set as a housewarming gift for a favorite guy or upgrading your own personal kitchen tools. And I will see you in the next video.